In this video, we are going to see that if you want to test your mic in Discord, here is a quick solution for you. So if you just want to check the sound levels, or you just want to make sure that the right mic is selected at the background, what you can do is just click on this bottom left hand corner in the user settings. And here, if you scroll down a little bit, you will see this section of app settings where we see voice and video. Once we go in here, this is the mic test. Having issues with the mic, you can start the test and we will play your voice back to you. So click on let me check, and it is playing back the sound. You can check through it if everything is working perfectly. And you can also see that if your mic is let's say not working properly and you don't find the levels to be accurate, you can increase or decrease the output volume or input volume levels. And also you can change the microphone to whatever you want. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.